Get him, killer.
The fireworks are at the beach.
What's gonna save you from the beast across the street? You know it's thriller.
I'm free.
You excited? Yeah. All right, let's go.
Yay!
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Abraham Love Story. Right now, it's about 1:30 p.m. on Sunday, and me and my husband are some crazy, spontaneous, spur-of-the-moment parents right now because we are on our way
To the beach.
to the beach because this little one wanted to go to the beach. So,
I like the beach.
huh?
I like the beach.
You like the beach? I love the beach too, so I can't even hold you. So we are about to head to the beach right now. Daddy's about to pull up and come get us so we can head out, right? You excited? Yeah. All right, let's go.
Yay!
Where you at? Did you ask Daddy if you can have some of that gum?
I'm gonna ask him before he comes.
Okay. All right, so we heading out right now. It's hot. Luckily, I just cooled the car off a little bit.
Just came.
Yeah, he's here. I just cooled the car off some because it's like 105 degrees in the Tesla, and that's hot. Daddy's right here.
Can I have gun? Yay.
All right, let's load up in the car while Daddy finish up getting his stuff. So we do got to stop somewhere to get something to eat because Daddy didn't eat this morning and Quinny was not in the mood to eat either. So we'll have to stop somewhere. You got boo? Oh, you gonna use that to build sandcastles? All right now.
Mommy.
So I'll probably start off driving because Chip has to do some training videos for his job. So I'll drive while he's doing his training videos. But this is really like legit spur of the moment. It's actually 2 o'clock. I thought it was earlier than that. It's actually 2 o'clock. Baby, can you turn down your iPad son so I can talk to Froggy? So yeah, it's actually 2 o'clock p.m. It takes about 2 hours for us to get to the beach from where we live at. And unfortunately, it is 4th of July weekend, so traffic can be any kind of way. I don't know what to expect with traffic, but like I said, we about to build some memories. It's summertime. Why not? Like, let's go to the beach, get on some rides. And then the beach that we're going to, they have like a little funland amusement park for kids, and we have tickets from last year left over, so we'll be able to use those tickets to get on rides and stuff. So
things you do for your family.
yes.
Who you going to the beach? What beach you're going to?
The one at the musical park. And I also got my beach stuff because my other ones are lost, and I don't
Lost
even.
your other ones?
And mommy got this, and mommy and daddy got this from Ocean City.
Shaky. So I came into the Dollar Tree because I cannot find my sunscreen. So I know they have like the traveling size sunscreens in here. It's because we need some sunscreen. It is hot, and I do not want anybody to burn because that is not comfortable. Sunscreen and snacks. Sunscreen and snacks. Sunscreen and snacks. I feel like the Dollar Tree never lets me down, but today Dollar Tree didn't have any sunscreen. It probably was good that they didn't, because if I got sunscreen from the Dollar Tree, it probably would have came off in like 15 minutes anyway. But Chip and Quinny went into Wawa and ended up finding sunscreen in Wawa. I never thought Wawa would have sunscreen, but Wawa has everything, so they found sunscreen.
So guys, we are at Walmart
Yeah, Wawa.
We at Wawa. Are going to the beach. Beach stuff. Stuff. And we are almost there to make it to the beach. Oh, yummy cupcakes for y'all. We are gonna build a sandcastle, and Mommy's gonna set y'all up. We are charging the car to make it to our destination. So, yeah. See y'all guys. Bye.
To the left. Right here. It's a line.
It's the Mr. Beast chocolate.
Alright. Give these
I
to
wanna
Daddy.
get this.
Alright, let's go pay for it.
Alright, so we're about 20 minutes from the beach. Kendra's driving. Quinny's in the back.
Antsy.
Gang, gang.
Asking. She said gang gang. And she's been asking
The whole ride.
whole ride, are we at the beach yet? And honestly, we're supposed to be at home because I'm literally supposed to be checking into a hotel right now, about an hour away from the house for work. But I put my family first today. And
No. Let me say something.
Oh, somebody
Alright.
got something to say.
Go ahead, what you guys say?
So, but if they driving and they don't even got their baby suit on under their clothes,
Well, we got our baby suits with us, though.
Yeah,
then why y'all don't even put it on?
she wants people to get in the water. Little does she know.
No, that's because I'm going in the wave.
You're going in the wave pool. No, I don't know about that one, but yeah. So we're like a couple minutes from the beach, about to have a family fun day, and stay tuned.
Mark. We go at the store. Airport.
In 500 feet, enter the roundabout and take the second exit.
We made it to the beach. And we got here pretty quick. It took us about an hour and a half to get here. There was literally no traffic, I think because everyone is on their way back home. So we hit no traffic. So we're hoping, we just found parking, street parking. How much was the parking? $24. And it's crazy because the same exact parking spot that we are in right now, we parked there before. What was that? That was probably like 2 years ago when we parked in that spot. And it's so nice out. It don't even feel like it's as hot as it is at home. I think at home it was like 98 degrees. Here it feels like it's like a cool 80, maybe like 89. But we have the breeze coming off the ocean. So that makes a big difference. Booty, how you feeling? You made it?
I feel like it's so fun to breathe.
So, follow. You go this way? You going this way? Oh, she ain't even worried about the rides. They're not gonna get you. Somebody literally just wants to play in the sand. Over this way, baby. Quinn, out the way. Move out the way.
Good, all good.
Thank you.
Have a great evening.
You too. You gotta keep walking, boo boo. You were trying to test to see if it was hot. Well, you still got your sandals on, so you'll be okay. Yeah, baby.
Can I take my sandals off?
Yeah. It don't feel too hot to me. Is it hot to you, Daddy? The sand? Oh, you got socks on, so it probably don't feel that hot to you. Well, somebody up here cutting up watermelon. We should have bought our watermelon. Put your sunscreen on. Oh, you got it all on your hands. Turn around. Yeah. It's okay, though.
You want to help me build a birthday cake?
Mm-hmm. All right, so we're on the sand. Like, I thought we were going to go ride some rides first, but Quinny had other plans, which is okay. So I think it's almost about 5 o'clock p.m. It's really late. It's a late beach day for us. However, Quinny is loving the sand. She's not feeling these seagulls, though. The seagulls too much? But, Booty, they're not going to get you. All they doing is flying. They're just flying, looking for food, and you don't even have any food for them to have. So Quinny and Mommy, we're on our way to get some water for our sand castles. So I don't really know the recipe to build a sand castle. So we're just gonna do the best we can, okay? These waves are huge. Here, go this way. Baby, don't go too far now. All right, now. Slow down. I know it's cold. It's not cold. My baby wanted to come to the beach and she got her wish. And she is in her own little world right now. Come here, wait 1 second. You get this out your butt. It's cold. Gotta make sure you hold on to that thing, okay? She is really, that's a big one. Oh, be careful. Be careful. So that's what you use to make the sandcastle. Mommy's pants is already wet.
Okay, Mommy, get some water in yours.
Get some water in mine?
Yeah.
Okay. You having fun? I maybe should have put my bathing suit on. I don't know why I didn't. I should have definitely listened to you by putting my bathing suit on. Ah! That got in your mouth. Ugh. So we have our bucket of water to fill up to make our sand castles. My pants. Can you see if you can find Daddy? I don't think he's gonna believe you got in the water like that. Yeah. Mommy and Daddy just chilling, watching the little baby play in the sand. Won't have no liquor, no music, no vibes. Just a Sunday fun day. You a scaredy cat. There's one right there. Right over there. Get him, killer. Somebody gonna sleep good tonight. Ah! The 5-year-old is getting antsy.
Oh, no.
Chill out. You can't chill out?
It's itching?
The water thing is right there, Quinn. Right up there. That's where we came from. Where you can clean your sandals. Because did you clean your sandals off when you went? No. So you gotta just clean your sandals off this time. Because last time you just had your feet. It wasn't your sandals. So just try to clean your sandals off too. Because that's what I did.
So, we just went to the beach. We are going on the rides. I might take off my shoes at the rides because they might get a little itchy, so it smells so good. My feet in my sandals, and somebody's using it. We going on the ride, so, and I hope they said we can bring y'all. It looks like it's about to rain. Guys, we got Mommy in the building telling you how you feeling.
I'm feeling good.
I don't even know what we doing after the rides. Mommy, is that the rides? Mommy, the butter.
We just left the beach. We got cleaned up. And now we at the amusement park part, and we're about to get on a few rides. Luckily last year we came here and we had some extra tickets, so we have not bought tickets. Last year we did. I think it's probably about 50 tickets on here. Quinny's about to get on. I don't even know the name of this ride. What's the name of it? I don't know. I don't know the name of it, but I know for sure that I don't like getting on these kind of rides. Huh?
Can I take off my shoes on this ride?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't do these kind of rides. Daddy, you gonna scream? No, you're not gonna scream? Wendy said she's gonna scream. Where did we go? We went to the America Dream Mall. And you went on a ride like that with us. Yeah, at the America Dream.
Oh, we sure did. I'm not getting on that.
No, you don't have to. I'm saying Quinny got on that. Yeah. They finally took off. She's screaming already. It never happened. My baby is the loudest one on the ride. Quinny, the ride that you and Daddy went on, what did you rate it?
100 out of 100.
Oh, okay, nice. 100 out of 100?
Yeah.
Nice. What you give it?
I'll get about a 4.
A 4? All right, we about to get on this here Sea Dragon. Sea Dragon. I'm not a big fan of the Sea Dragon, but I'm going to do it because it's the only one that I think that I can do in this park that's safe. So let's go. So it's 3 of us. Oops.
Doesn't matter.
Thank you. Got it. All right, let's go. Let's find a seat. Which one are you going to? Right here, baby.
Here, I can get on the end, Mommy. Sit you in the middle.
You gonna sit in the middle? Whoa! Mommy's big old fat butt couldn't get in there. Okay.
This one is gonna be hurting my butt.
I don't know if does the lady bring it down? Or do we bring it down?
She bring it down.
Oh. So it's not time yet. It's not time to put this down yet. Oh, okay. All right, so what you thinking about this ride? You nervous or what?
A little bit.
Okay, what did you think about it, Daddy?
It's gonna be a thrill. Stop, would you?
Sit down.
Pressing down on us.
I know.
You can't feel it on your leg because you're too small.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. You can already imagine. Oh my God, I hate this feeling. Oh God. That's it. That's it. That's it. Quinny, that was good. I think I did pretty good. That was like 11 out of 10.
No, I get that. 100 out of 100.
Again. Oh. Woo. Listen, I know it felt like I was doing too much, but like just like it literally felt like you was just like this. No. All right, let's see what we're gonna do again. Which ride we gonna get on next? You gotta pick which flower you want. Pink one?
That's all you want? The pink one?
All right, let Daddy pay for it. This is the same one we had. This is the same one we had when we went to Disney, right? Hey, that's huge. There you go. You gotta go get it. All right, let's go. Somebody's in line. That's big. Try it. Let me get some.
It melts in your
It tastes like strawberry. Very much. Anything you want? Mm-hmm. Look it. Look it.
Oh, I thought you were asking. Come on in.
We just made it to this restaurant that's on the boardwalk called The Dunes. I've never eaten here before. So let's see what this is all about. I can sit here. You can sit with Quinny. I can sit right here. You got ice cream on your nose.
You got kids chicken tenders. You want chicken tenders?
Now you're playing. Did it on purpose. Get the napkin right there. Wipe your face off. Damn kids. All right, so yeah, the bang bang shrimp sound good. I feel like bang bang shrimp anywhere you go is good. And I feel like I'm just gonna get something very basic. But they have a bang bang shrimp taco too. Like hand seasoned fried shrimp, slaw. That might be good. Salmon tacos. That sounds good too. And then of course they have a drink menu. So we got the cheesesteak egg rolls. The spicy ketchup. What would you rate it, Quinny? Another 100 out of 100. I don't mind the spicy ketchup, but I'm not a spice girl. Alright, so I have some salmon tacos. Chip has the bang bang shrimp tacos. We have a side of waffle fries. And baby has chicken tenders. That restaurant was pretty good, especially considering like what it was just on the boardwalk. It was really good. We want to stay. We'll probably get them when we go to Disney. We wanted to stay for the fireworks, but they don't start for like another hour and a half. And the little one is tired. She has school tomorrow. And my husband has work tomorrow, so I don't think we'll be able to watch the fireworks. So we about to head back to the car. Alright, so we had a slight change of plans. So it's currently 8:16 p.m. And after we ate at the Dunes, we decided to like stick around a little bit just to see if we can catch the fireworks. And so we're just killing some time in the back of our car. The fireworks will be that way. So they said they start about 9:15. So we're gonna hang out until somebody was playing Michael Jackson. Yeah. Look, Bubba.
The horseshoes.
They're so big. You hear our horseshoes?
Yes. Hi, horsies.
He said hi.
Needles, needles, come and get your needles, needles, needles. We got a secret room too. Come and get the secret room, come and get the secret room, and the needles, do do do. No, we just waiting for the fireworks because when it was light outside, this lady and my mom said, "Excuse me, fireworks start at 9." She said yes. So that's why it's at the beach. The fireworks are at the beach.
Oh, okay. Well, it's not raining there?
No.
Because I thought I heard rain outside.
I hope it won't rain.
I hope it won't rain either.
Manito. Chicken jockey.
Can I tell Daddy what about to tell me?
Call viral means all these squishies are going viral.
So that's why you think all the kids want to buy needles?
Needles, come and get your needles.
You better not sell that needle. We bought that needle for you. And you want to sell it back to the streets.
Hey, slow down.
Hopefully these fireworks are starting soon.
Hey.
So we can get on the road. So we can get back on the road, right? Get home.
Yes. Back
Yes.
on the road.
Back on the road.
Go to sleep.
And I know I'm going to have a quiet drive home because everybody's going to be asleep.
For sure.
No, let me watch this firework.
You got to put some shoes on first.
Yeah, hold on.
Sing it. What you singing, Billie Jean? Go ahead. Let me see your moonwalk. Do the Thriller. That's the Thriller. 5, 6, cause this is Thriller. Thriller night. And no one's gonna save you from the beast that's about to strike. I know it's Thriller. Thriller night. And fighting for your life inside the killer. Thriller, killer, Thriller. We can fight, cause this is Thriller. Thriller night. And no one's gonna save you from the beast that's about to strike. You know it's Thriller. Thriller night. Moonwalk. Running for your life inside. 9:15 is when the start time is supposed to start. It's 9:10 and we are patiently waiting.
Beat it. Hi Froggy, so today we are trying to watch these fireworks. No fireworks up. Like what is going on? So guys, we are trying to look for these fireworks. We should have do one at home. 2 minutes until they're started. Oh my god, freak!
Look at the little dog.
What's that noise?
It's a part of the firework.
Is that a shooting star?
That looked like fire right there. right, so I'm going to finish up this vlog. Thank you so much for watching our spur of the moment beach trip. And we'll see you in the next video.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.